you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life.
I told you it was more chicken than woodpecker.
Peanut butter.
Literally, what is wrong with this mic?
Peanut butter.
Oh my god, the CGI is really bad.
Huh? Did you hear that? Yeah, me too. Better go check it out.
It's in a
Is
different
this
room
mic
under
like...
a pillow.
Boys, guess who?
If they sound like this.
It's fine. That exact one is on in shot.
What? That was a phone?
Post that.
What? Who made this? Who thinks that's what a phone looks like? Like a phone camera?
It's so coffee o'clock.
Yeah.
Whoa. Are those
Whoa.
peanut butter bonkers? I'm a sucker for peanut butter. Come on, brothers, share the wealth. Spread
Come
the
on,
love.
brother.
Whoa.
Explain.
I don't understand what's going on.
You like it?
That guy actually hit himself for real with the balloon. Okay, now he's... Oh my...
You hit me! Get off my lawn, punk!
What? Goddamn bird.
Who's there?
You could do another 9/11 if you want to. That... What?
This one.
What?
How about some of this?
What?
Oh my.
Only one way to find out.
Like, oh, nobody's stopping it. What?
What?
They're dead. Wait, they're gonna die. They're
What?
dead.
Saw trap? What? He's trying to what? He's killing them. That's gonna kill them.
Why am I hearing Peter Griffin now? He's dead.
A terrifying fall off a ladder. This homeowner crashes head first onto his deck.
What the fuck is this shitty rendition of Bird is the Word playing in the background?
I thought this was just a normal song.
No.
Whoa! Oh my god, they mixed the fucking one.
Jesus. I don't understand. What is going on? Stop. Stop. What? What? I don't.
What?
Fuck am I hearing? So I thought that was supposed to be playing on like a radio, and then I just find out it's his mic. Holy shit. What? Wait, is it playing on a record? What's going on?
You smell
It was
that?
playing on a record.
Is that what I think it is? Peanut butter!
What? The fucking, like,
Why are people doing this?
he completely like closed his mouth and I could still hear singing.
He's got like hit bop effect.
Yeah.
What? Whoa!
Woody is such an asshole.
What did it mean to do? Saw it?
Minnesota?
Make your move, bird.
A knife?
You just stand there. That.
And for this
What?
week's lesson,
That's definitely not a green screen.
gravity. Toodaloo.
Why do you put on goggles?
Because that's what you do when you're teaching about gravity. What is he saying?
Sweet home.
Okay.
They're gonna crush them.
Love happy endings.
Whoa.
Whoops.